Dining out in the 1960s was remarkably affordable, with average meals costing around $2. In stark contrast, today's average meal price hovers around $17.25, reflecting significant economic shifts. The cost of attending sports events has seen a dramatic increase. In the 60s, ticket prices were about $1.50, whereas today they average around $433. This change highlights the growth in athlete salaries and rising venue expenses. Utility costs have also experienced substantial increases, with monthly expenses climbing from approximately $130 in the 60s to around $259.50 today. This trend is influenced by technological advancements and a growing demand for services. Moreover, the escalation of labor costs has played a significant role in rising clothing prices, making production more expensive. Consequently, consumers today face higher prices for garments. In the furniture sector, increased material costs and logistics have significantly raised retail prices. Alongside this, heightened consumer expectations for quality have further influenced production expenditures. Technological advancements have also transformed telecommunications, shifting from analog to digital infrastructure, which has resulted in higher telephone service costs. Enhanced features contribute to the rising consumer expenses in this sector. The transition from simpler television models to advanced technologies has notably affected consumer choices and escalated prices in the electronics market. Modern advancements cater to a more enriched viewing experience. Vinyl records, once a mainstream format, have transitioned into a niche market due to the rise of digital formats. This evolution has altered their pricing dynamics, appealing mainly to collectors and highlighting shifting music consumption preferences. Similarly, the decline of print media alongside the rise of digital platforms has transformed the periodical industry, leading to increased subscription costs and altering revenue models for traditional publications, reflecting broader trends in digital consumption. Additionally, factors like inflation, production costs, and complexities within the food supply chain have significantly influenced food pricing over time. These shifts underline the economic dynamics affecting daily sustenance. Public transportation costs have surged, driven by rising operational expenses and infrastructure demands. This trend mirrors the growing population's need for efficient transport systems in urban environments. The increase in ticket prices for concerts and events stems from heightened production costs and an elevated demand for quality performances. This shift reflects broader consumer expectations within the entertainment industry. Investments in cutting-edge technology have significantly raised production costs, resulting in higher ticket prices for consumers. This trend underscores the industry's commitment to enhancing viewer experiences in entertainment. Moreover, the transition to state-of-the-art sound systems and immersive formats has increased cinema operational expenses. As theaters adopt these innovations, audiences can anticipate a more captivating experience. The economic dynamics driving the demand for enhanced cinematic experiences play a critical role in shaping ticket pricing. Understanding these trends is vital for comprehending the film industry's future trajectory. In the 1960s, the housing market showcased much lower prices, with the average home costing around $117,000. This starkly contrasts today's elevated prices, highlighting significant economic changes. The current housing landscape is heavily influenced by surging demand and escalating labor costs, contributing to the growing inaccessibility of homes for many individuals. In addition to housing, gasoline prices have also seen significant rises due to geopolitical factors and fluctuating demand. This trend reflects broader economic changes over time.